Good morning students. Continuing fractions and decimals chapter. In the last class you have learnt multiplication of fractions. Today we will learn division of fractions. Division of whole number by a fraction. Find 1 divided by half. In this 1 is a whole number and half is a fraction. Here in the division we are converting division sign into multiplication. So in the next step, see, division is converted into multiplication. When you convert division into multiplication, you have to write reciprocal of half. Reciprocal means exchanging numerator and denominator. Numerator goes to denominator, numerator goes to denominator, denominator goes to the numerator. So this is called reciprocal. Half reciprocal is 2 by 1. See, 1 by 4 reciprocal is 4 by 1. Exchanging numerator and denominator. So converting, don't write division into multiplication, then 2 by 1. Next here division is possible. If possible you can do, otherwise multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator is only 1, so 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is 2. Answer is 2. Next example, 3 divided by 1 by 4. 3 is a whole number, 1 by 4 is a fraction. 3 converting division into multiplication. 1 by 4 reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. So again cancel, division is not possible, so multiply numerator into numerator and denominator. 12 by 1 is 12. 24 divided by 12 by 7. 24 division is changed into multiplication. At that time reciprocal of 12 by 7. 7 by 12. Now here 12 ones are division is possible. 12 ones are 12 twos are 24. Now here we got 1, so multiply numerator into numerator. 2 into 7 is 14. 14 by 1 is 4. Fourth example, 3 divided by 5 1 by 3. Now here it is a mixed fraction. Always when you get mixed fraction, convert that into improper fraction. Now here division remains division only, because in this step we are converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 16 by 3, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 16. Now we are changing division into multiplication. When you change division into multiplication, you have to write the reciprocal. So 3 by 16. Again division is not possible, multiply numerator into numerator divided by denominator. So 9 by 16. Now this is a proper fraction, not improper fraction. We cannot write this in as a mixed fraction. So this is the answer. Division of a fraction by a whole number. In this, fraction comes first, next whole number. So 3 by 4 divided by 3. So here first step is, what you have to do is 3 by 4 divided by 3 by 1. You have to write 3 by 1. Again it is 3 only, value will not change. Right, make this as a fractional number. 3 as a fraction. So 3 by 1. So next, in the next step, convert division into multiplication. When you convert division into multiplication, reciprocal of this 1 goes to the numerator divided by denominator. Here division is possible, cancel it. So multiply numerator into numerator divided by denominator. So here what you have to remember, first step is writing this as a fractional number. So 3 by 1. In the next step you are changing division into multiplication and reciprocal of the second fraction. So division, if it is possible, divide it and multiply numerator into numerator and denominator. Next example, 1 3 by 5 divided by 5. This is a mixed fraction. Always when mixed fraction comes, don't go to change division into multiplication. First you convert that into improper. So 5 ones are 5 plus 3, 8 by 5 divided by 5 by 1. We have made 5 as a fractional number. So 5 by 1. Next you are writing division into multiplication. At that time reciprocal of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5. So 8 into 1 is 8, 5 into 5 25. So again this is a proper fraction. So this is the answer. So 5 by 7 divided by 6. 5 by 7 divided by making 6 as fractional number. So 6 by 1. Next step, division into multiplication. At that time reciprocal. So here division is not possible. So 5 ones are 5, 7 6 are 42. Again this is a proper fraction. If it is improper fraction, convert that into mixed fraction. Next division is division of a fraction by another fraction. So both are fractions here. 1 by 3 divided by 6 by 5. 1 by 3 into changing division into multiplication and reciprocal of this 5 by 6. Again division is not possible, multiply numerator into numerator. 5 ones are 5, 6 3s are 18. Again this is a proper fraction. converting it into mixed fraction is not possible. 8 by 5 divided by 2 by 3, 8 by 5 into 3 by 2. Next here division is possible. 2 ones are 2 fours are. This way division is not possible. 4 threes are 12. 5 ones are 5. 12 by 5. This is a improper fraction. Now we can write this as a mixed fraction. How to write? Nearest product is 5 2s are 10. 2 that comes here. Remainder is 12. 2s are 10. Remainder is 2. 2 goes to the numerator and divided by denominator remains denominator. Next here this is mixed fraction. So 2 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. So first step is converting mixed fraction into improper. 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. In the next step, if it is mixed fraction, if it is given, first step is converting that into improper. Then change division into multiplication and reciprocal. 5 by 3. So again cancellation is not possible. Multiply 5 5s are 25, 3 2s are 6. Now this is a improper fraction. We can convert into mixed. So nearest product is 6 4s are 24. 4 comes here. Remainder is 1. 1 divided by 6. 4 1 by 6. Now here in the exercise type of sum I have worked out here. Find the reciprocal of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocals as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole number. See, this is the question given. 2 by 5. What's the reciprocal of 2 by 5? 5 by 2. Exchanging the numerator and the denominator. 5 by 2 is a proper fraction or improper fraction? It is a improper fraction. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. That is improper fraction. 8 by 5. 8 by 3. Reciprocal is 3 by 8. Very simple question and answer. This is proper fraction because numerator is smaller than the denominator. So proper fraction. 1 by 5. Reciprocal is 5 by 1. 5 by 1 is always 5. So this is a whole number. 7 by 9. Reciprocal is 9 by 7. Again it is a improper fraction. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. Improper. So two more sums I have worked out here. Find 2 1 by 6 divided by 1 1 by 5. Both are mixed fraction. First step is converting this into improper. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 6 divided by 6 by 5. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. 6 by 5. Next step is converting, changing division into multiplication. At that time reciprocal of the second fraction. 5 by 6. Now here cancellation, division is not possible. So multiply numerator into numerator. 13 5 is 65. 6 6 are 36. Again this is an improper fraction. This is 36 1s are 36. 36 2s are more than 65. So 1s are remainder is here divided by 36. Mixed fraction. Second sum 3 1 by 2 divided by 1 3 by 4. Converting it into mixed fraction, improper fraction, then changing division into multiplication and reciprocal of this 4 by 7. Now here division is possible. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Again this way also possible. 7 1s are 7 1s are. Remaining numbers multiply. 2 1s are 2 divided by 1 into 1 is 1. 2 by 1 is 2. So these are example sums, and by referring example sums, similar sums are there in exercise. Whenever doubt arises, refer example sums, understand it and do exercise sum. Exercise 2.4. So this type of sum, first division of whole number by fraction and find the reciprocal. This just now I have explained reciprocal and then classify them as improper, proper and whole numbers. This is fraction by a whole number and this is fraction by a fraction. All these three types of sums I have explained, and here answer page is there. Check your answer from answer page. Do homework. Sincerely do homework, children. Thank you, children.